How to remove payment method on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Temu application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the U option on the bottom center of your screen and then tap on the Settings option on the top right of your screen. You will then see the option for your payment methods. Tap on that and in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see all the payment methods that you have added for Temu. Locate the credit card or debit card that you wish to cancel and then tap on it. Further, tap on the Delete Credit or Debit Card option in the pop-up that appears, and when prompted, confirm the uninstallation by tapping on Remove once again. So, this is how you can remove payment method on Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.